Many think this is one of the toughest problems in IITJEE Advanced in recent years. But this is not that difficult. This is a simple problem. Let's solve it under 3 minutes here. I've already drawn the diagram and computed few things here based on the data given. So what's going on is that there are two disks. They are rotating on an axis passing through their center. And because of this rotation, they're also going around in this direction because this axis is perpendicular to the axis of the disk. Now let's call this axis as z prime. So we need to compute the angular momentum around this and also angular momentum around this. Now first compute what is the angular velocity here in this z prime direction. Let's call it omega, big omega. So if you see, because there is no slipping happening here, pure rolling, so omega times L should be equal to omega times A. We need to compute omega in z direction. So omega z is nothing but omega cos theta, and that is equal to omega by 5, which means that A is the answer. Now let's compute the second part. Let's see if second is correct. Angular momentum of the center of mass around point O. Now let's compute the center of mass. Let's assume center of mass is here, and this is at a distance x from O. X is m into L plus 4m into 2L divided by m plus 4m. The angular momentum around O would be, because now we can take it like this. This point is a mass of 5m and this is at 9 by 5 L. So it will be simply I omega. So I is 5m 9 by 5 L whole square and omega A by L. Why omega L by L? Because this is omega A by L. If you see, this is not equal to 81. M B is not the right answer. Now the C is find the angular momentum of the assembly about the axis of. Very simple, because all we need to do is x prime here, and that should be equal to half m a square and plus half 4m 2a square, and that should be omega. Therefore C is the right answer. And last, you see Lx is here, Lx prime, and Lz prime is here, and we need to compute around z. So Lz would be Lx prime sine theta plus Lz prime cos theta, because this is theta. Therefore this will not be equal to 55 ma square omega. You can plug in Lx prime and Lz prime. This is Lz prime here, and you will not get this. Hence D is not the answer. Go to our channel and check out some of the more detailed problem. You will learn a lot. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you.